Hi everyone, welcome back to Storytime with the New Westminster Public Library. Today we're going to read about birds, but first, our reading tip for grown-ups. Encourage your child to draw and to write. Even though it might be just scribbles at first, encouraging your children to draw and write helps them learn skills like holding a pencil, which will be so important when they start going to school. All right, we're going to start our story time with a rhyme about birds. You can stand up for this one if you like and move around a little bit so you can get all your wiggles out before we start reading. All right, standing up now, we're going to put our hands together like this to be a flapping bird. You can do it like this or you can do it like this. We've got our flapping birds and the rhyme goes like this. Little bird, fly around, up to the sky, stretch, and down to the ground. Little bird, flap your wings, then open your mouth and sweetly sing. Chirp, 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 chirp. Little bird, fly to your nest, and now it's time to take a rest. You can lie down and take a little nap, and then we're ready for our story. Our book today is a little bit of a silly book about birds called Froodle by Antoinette Portis. And this is a story about a little bird who decides that she wants to sing her own song, which is a little bit different from what the other birds usually do. This is called Froodle. And here is our first page. Let's get it right up there for you. All day long, the dogs went woof, the cats went meow. That sounds pretty normal. And the birds in the neighborhood went caw, coo, chip, peep, chip, peep, caw, coo, coo, chip, peep, caw, caw, peep, coo, chip. That sounds pretty normal. Until one day, out of the blue, Little Brown Bird didn't want to sing the same old song. She didn't know what she wanted to say, but it definitely wasn't peep. Something silly maybe. So she opened her beak and went Froodle Sproodle. Have you ever heard birds say that? I don't think so. Crow was not amused. Crow was very serious and did not approve of this. What did you say? Said Crow. Uh-oh, said the other birds. She meant peep. Little brown birds say peep, said Crow, like doves say coo. So Little Brown Bird, there she is down there, said peep, like she was supposed to. But 6 minutes later, something else slipped out. Tiffle biffle, just a little miffle. Stop, said Crow. You are little and brown and you are supposed to say peep. Oh, now we've got to turn the page over like this. But not even snack time stopped the silliness from spreading, because now Cardinal figured out that there could be silly red birds too. Uh-oh, there's Cardinal. Upside down. And Cardinal's saying, ickle, zickle, pickle, trickle. There's Crow saying, stop it, stop it, stop being silly. But it was too late. Because now Dove was wondering if there could be silly white birds. There's Dove saying, oobly snoobly. Crow says, ugh, you too, Dove? Oh, he doesn't want to be silly. Everyone knows there is no such thing as a silly black crow. So Crow flew off. There he goes. Doesn't want to be around all this silliness. But the other the other birds want Crow to come back. You too, says Dove, do something. Do you see Crow all by himself? There he is, way over there. Little brown bird wondered, could crows be silly too? So all the birds started saying silly things. Cloggin, zoggin, itsy boggin, fooblick, dooblick, not a crewblick, sliggy, quiggy, zinker, triggy, buppy, scruppy, hup, hup. And are you noticing something that's happening in each of these pictures? Can you see Crow? There he is, and there he is, and there he is. He's getting a little closer, isn't he? Until finally, buppy, scruppy, hup, hup. Whoopee, said Crow. Ah, crows could be silly. And now the neighborhood was never the same. Here are all the birds on the wire, and they're all saying, Flodden, yachts, pleamish, oughts, flick, blurv, ink-padink. And on the last page of the book, there's something else happening now. The dogs and the cats are getting silly too. The cat says schmoodle, and the dog says skerpoodle. Oh boy, little brown bird started something, and now everyone is being very silly. And it is the end of Froodle. And I think it's important to be silly every so often. I think that little brown bird had the right idea. I hope you liked Froodle. We are going to play a little guessing game with some birds now. Now, I have several bird houses. I have a purple bird house with a square door. I have a green bird house with a round door. I have an orange bird house with a triangle door. And I have a blue bird house with an oval door. And here I have some different birds. I have an orange bird, a blue bird, a green bird, and I have a purple bird. And I need your help to figure out which houses belong to which bird, because I'm not sure. Why don't we pick a bird to start with? How about the orange one? I like the orange bird. Let's see. Does this house belong to the orange bird? No, you're right. Does this house belong to the orange bird? Does he fit in there? No, let's see. Does this house? Is this house the orange bird's house? No, he doesn't quite fit. How about the orange house? Does the orange bird fit in the orange house? Let's give it a try. Oh, there he is. Okay, let's try another one. Here's our purple bird. Which house do you think the purple bird should go in? Should he go in here? Not quite. Should he go in here? He doesn't quite fit in the oval door. I know. Should he go in the purple house like this? Yeah, I think so too. All right, we have one bird, two birds left. How about our blue bird? Which house should he go in? Should he go in the greenhouse? He doesn't quite fit. How about the blue house? Do you think he'll fit in here? Oh, he fits perfectly. And now we only have one bird left. Maybe this bird should go on my face. No? No, where should he go then? No, he should go in the greenhouse. There we go. Now all of the birds have gone home. Thank you for your help. That's our story time for today. We'll see you next week. Bye.